Who is Fatima? मुझे क्या पता? Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good. You speak Hindi?
What?
You speak Hindi or something?
Yeah, I do understand Hindi.
Okay, so what you do?
I'm a student.
Student. Okay, what you study like in college?
I passed college last year. Now I'm giving admissions for
Okay,
university.
okay. So what's your name?
Uh, Mahi.
Mahi.
Mahi, yeah.
Nice name, Mahi.
It's a common name.
Common but nice. Okay.
What do you do?
Nothing. Just a gamer.
Like work, study,
I'm a gamer. Uh,
just
gamer. I do stream on Twitch.
you do what?
I do stream.
Oh, acha, stream.
Gaming stream on
Okay.
Twitch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard strip.
No stream.
That's yeah, that's why I was a little shocked.
How old are you, by the way?
I'm 21.
You're 21. Are you serious?
Why? I look older?
No, like, I think you are 22 or 23 something.
No, I am 21.
So, do you have any boyfriend or something?
Nah.
Why so?
Huh?
Why so?
Why so? I'm not really looking for a relationship. That's why.
So, what you're looking for?
Someone like I don't think this generation's boy can do match
Can
my
give,
standard or
yeah,
something.
can give you that much loyalty or something.
Yeah, right.
Oh, you have a cat. Nice.
I have two cats.
Okay. Oh my God. Nice. What's her name?
It's he.
Acha, it's he. Okay,
His
okay.
yeah. His name is Simba, and the other
Simba.
one, yeah, Simba, and the other one is Nala.
Nala. Simba Nala.
Yeah.
Pair or something?
Hmm?
They have pair, like one male and one
No,
female.
no, 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 no. I got Nala first. Then my brother bought him.
No,
Nala is a rescue cat.
I'm talking about both are male.
No, 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 no. Nala is female.
Okay, okay, nice, nice. So, where is your male cat?
Male or female? Why?
Just kidding.
In, in fiction.
Yeah. So, we are talking about there is no one who can give love or something.
Yeah. Who can match the standard? Who can give me attention, undivided attention and loyalty?
Okay, so what you think, like, you're gonna do marry or something, or like you want to do relationship in future?
I like if I'm in relationship in future, I would want to be a serious relationship that ends up being married. So not like time pass or something.
Not like, oh, okay, got it. Are you using like, have you put on makeup or something?
I had dawat and then I slept with my makeup. I didn't yeah. What? I didn't remove it.
Crazy, crazy. So what you're doing
Yeah.
here? What you're doing here?
I don't know. Like I was bored and thought like, okay, let's do this shit and meet new people.
Okay, got it.
What are you doing here?
talking to you.
Before me?
Before you, there is no one, and I think after you, there is no one.
How many girls heard that from you?
I think one, that is you.
Uh, I'm flattered then.
Obviously, you have to. There is no option. So, what you are doing there? Like, you are busy in something else?
I'm just editing my pictures.
You're deleting your pictures?
Yes, and I'm like reviewing my what
Past.
story 100 times.
Like, why you are removing, like, deleting your pictures? It's
Not
like,
removing, reviewing. Like
acha,
I'm watching it over.
reviewing. Okay. Got
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
got it, got it, got it. So, can you show some? You went. Oh my God. One word for you.
What?
Cutie. Is there any crush or something, or is there anyone like in your life?
Is that anyone in my life? There is many in my life.
I'm talking
As
about
for
a person who loves you. Oh, who is he?
who is he?
I think AI generated or something.
It's an art.
It's an art. Are you artist?
Yeah. No, no, I didn't art that. Like it's a book character.
Okay, okay, okay. Nice. So you have any crush or something?
I just show you one of my crush.
That is art now, I think.
That is a book character.
Okay. I am asking about in real life.
Jungkook.
Who is he? I don't know.
You don't know he's from BTS.
I don't like.
Okay.
Yeah. So anything, something like any something special, or you wanna share or you wanna say
About what?
about you?
About me?
Yeah.
I don't think I have anything special to share.
You are the only
Uh,
reason to be special,
That was smooth.
and you don't need any reason to be special.
Good. That's good.
Actually.
So
So
tell me about yourself.
ask, I'll tell.
What?
You ask, I'll tell.
I ask, is there any girlfriend?
Not
Any
at all.
girl?
Not at all.
Why not?
Because I haven't found someone like you. Maybe the reason.
Uh, how old are you, by the way?
I'm 22.
22. Okay. Then when I said I'm 21, why are you surprised?
No, I'm not surprised.
Is there anything special you want to share with me?
Like, my life will become special if you put some efforts
Efforts in what?
in any sense.
Elaborate, please.
I don't want to elaborate. I'm not good in this to elaborate something or to explain or so.
So what?
So what? Okay, nothing. Is there something interesting you want to say?
In, um,
Is there any something? Is there something interesting you want to say?
I don't know. I don't have anything interesting going on in my life, so no.
Why? 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 What do you want exactly? You're having a beautiful face. Okay. You're having a beautiful voice.
No,
What?
no, that's
What?
not true. My voice is like not that like a not the girl kind of, not that boy kind of. Yes.
It's all about, you know, once in a stage where like it's all about ah se ah tak. So for that you are perfect.
What are you doing in this app website?
Actually, you're the first person to my to whom I am talking right now.
Actually,
Actually,
I don't believe that.
and I am not gonna talk anyone else.
Ah,
Yeah.
who?
Seriously, I'm serious, bro.
Ah, who?
Yeah. So you are you on Insta or something? That's good. Be on Insta. Use Insta. Nice. Let me check. Mahi Mahi. Good profile you have. Are you listening?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah. Good profile you have, actually.
What? Paddy.
What?
I said looks like Paddy.
Okay. So, wait a while. Okay, so nice to meet you. Let's go.
Nice to meet you too.